Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to a journey of peace and healing. Welcome to this 5-minute meditation, a sacred space where you can find tranquility and connection. Today, we connect with Archangel Raphael, the divine healer, who brings forth the energy of love and restoration. Let his loving energy surround you, enveloping you in a warm, healing embrace. Archangel Raphael is a powerful being of light, known for his ability to heal and bring comfort. He is known for his compassion and healing abilities, always ready to assist those in need. When we call upon him, he is there to support us, offering his guidance and protection. We are safe in his presence, feeling his gentle touch and reassuring energy. Take a moment to prepare yourself, allowing your mind and body to relax. You can sit comfortably in a chair, feeling the support beneath you, or you can lie down on your back, letting go of any tension. Make sure you are relaxed, breathing deeply and evenly. This will help you connect with Archangel Raphael's energy, allowing his healing light to flow through you. Feel the love and peace that Archangel Raphael brings, and let it fill your heart. Embrace this moment of serenity, knowing that you are deeply loved and cared for. As we begin this meditation, open your heart to receive the blessings of Archangel Raphael. Allow his healing energy to bring you peace, comfort, and restoration. Close your eyes gently, allow your eyelids to rest softly, blocking out the world around you. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Feel the cool, refreshing air filling your lungs, expanding your chest. Hold it for a moment. Savor the fullness of your breath, then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing all the air. As you breathe, let go of any tension. Feel your shoulders drop, your muscles loosen, let go of stress, let go of worries. Each breath brings you closer to a state of peace. Imagine your worries drifting away with each exhale. Feel yourself relaxing more with each exhale. Notice how your body feels lighter, more at ease. Imagine a gentle green light surrounding your body. This light is soft, warm, and inviting. This light represents Raphael's healing energy. It is warm and comforting like a gentle embrace. Allow it to flow into every cell of your being. Feel the healing energy rejuvenating you, bringing a sense of calm and peace. Now picture yourself in a beautiful garden. The air is fresh and clean. The sky is a vibrant blue. You feel completely at peace. In the center of the garden, you see a radiant being. This is Archangel Raphael. He has emerald green wings and a gentle smile. He radiates love and compassion. As you approach him, you feel a sense of warmth and welcome. He is happy to see you. He wants to help you heal and grow. Section 4. Embracing Raphael's healing energy. In this sacred moment, we invite the presence of Archangel Raphael, the divine healer. Archangel Raphael places his hand gently on your heart, infusing it with a radiant green light. You feel an incredible surge of love and healing energy flowing through every part of your being, filling you with warmth and peace. This energy is powerful and transformative, touching the deepest parts of your soul and bringing profound healing. He whispers gentle words of comfort and encouragement, reminding you that you are never alone. He reminds you of your inner strength and resilience, qualities that have always been within you, waiting to be acknowledged. He assures you that you are deeply loved and supported by the universe, and that you are worthy of all the good things in life. Take a moment to fully receive his healing energy, allowing it to penetrate every cell of your body. Allow this divine light to wash away any pain, fear, or negativity that you may be holding on to. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter and brighter, as if a heavy burden has been lifted from your shoulders. Embrace this newfound sense of freedom and joy. Section 5. Expressing gratitude and sharing the experience. Thank Archangel Raphael for his presence and healing energy. Know that he is always with you. You can call upon him whenever you need support. Slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to integrate this experience. You are filled with love, healing, and peace. Share this beautiful energy with the world. Let your light shine brightly. Section 6. Conclusion. Thank you for joining me on this journey to connect with Archangel Raphael. If you enjoyed this meditation, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more spiritual guidance. Remember, you are loved, you are healed, you are whole.